Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video we're going to find out can we delete or remove the notification that we get into our Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know that, you just simply have to open the Slack application into your desktop or mobile phone. Then after that, go to this activity option into here. Now, after going into the activity section, it will show all of the notification that you have got into your Slack. Now, we'll try tapping into these three dots, and as you can see here, there is no option for the notification to remove or delete it. And we'll try to do that into other notification here. And similarly, here is also no option to remove the notification. It means there is no option for us to remove the notification from the activities section. All we can do here is to mute the notification from the specific applications or channel into here. Just simply do that and you won't get the notification from that application or channel from the next time. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.